Hey family, how you all doing? It's Darnell with the little treat today. Darnell does it. I'm gonna be putting up LED lights, commercial LED lights inside a storefront window. So I will tag the link in below where you can find these at. And I kind of already started a little bit. And so you take the strips and you use your razor to separate them out into different into their different pieces or whatnot. And I'm going ahead and wiring up the control panel just to see, you know, the operation of it, you know what I'm saying, how it's gonna function. So I'm gonna do that first and kind of rule things out before I put everything up, and then I run into a situation. I'll explain that later, a little later, but right now I just wired it all up and I'm gonna plug it in and see what I got. Okay, y'all, I got it all hooked up and I'm gonna plug it in and see what we got. This system also comes with a remote, and you know, you can pick your different functions. Like that. You gotta buy a battery first. But it does come with the remote control to control the system. I'm gonna get a battery in here so I can show you all how it goes. But I just wanted to see, you know, how the setup worked, you know what I'm saying, how everything went together. And now I'm gonna go back and put the rest of the lights together. So now we're gonna mount the control module to the wall so we can start installing our lights. Now that we have the control module mounted securely to the wall, we can start to install our LED lighting. You simply just remove the green sticker from the back. And you have your adhesive strip. You want to extend it so that the wire is as straight as possible. Simply just press with a little force to get it to stick. And you just repeat this process. Continue to repeat this process all around the windows. Hey y'all, so now I put up the first strip of the LED lights, and it's time to connect to the next set of the next strip. So we also bought these off of Amazon. You're gonna need some of these. These are low voltage wire connectors, and we already placed these. I put a link down below on where you can get these from. We ordered these off Amazon. So you just come in and we already clipped these to the wire. You have the blue and red together. You have the green and yellow together. We couldn't find any that was 4 for 4, so we had to use 2 doubles for this process. But basically, you just take your wire, you line up the colors, and you connect them. So guys, I just finished the installation, and as I get to the end and cut the lights on, I noticed that the beginning of the LED strip is much brighter than the ending of the strip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go halfway in between the whole installation and disconnect it and come back in the ending of it. I'm gonna put right into the control panel. So the entire installation calls for 8 LED light strips. Therefore, I'm gonna come to the middle, which would be the 4th strip, and it'll be 4 strips on each side going straight into the power source. As you seen earlier, this was the end of the LED strip, and these lights were dimmer than the beginning of the strip. So I went halfway down the light strip to the fourth strip, and I disconnected it, and I tied in the end right into this power source. So let's see what we got. We ain't got nothing. The power. There we go. Okay. Now the whole strip is the same brightness now, and it's looking a whole lot better. A whole lot better. Guys, this is the finished product. Looks very nice. They're bright. And that's it. Hey guys, I want to thank you all for tuning in to the first episode of Darnell Does It. And if you could, like, comment, and subscribe. And I have the links below to where you can get the lights and where you can get the wire connectors that I did this job with. Thank you all again.